Well, hi, it's David in the video studio. And here's a picture of a great big tree. Now, what has that got to do with stained glass? Here we are cutting the tree down. We've hired somebody to help. This took about a week to have this tree cut down. It was huge. Now, what has that got to do with stained glass? Well, when we moved here 20 years ago, that tree needed to be cut down back then. And at the 10-year mark, we had somebody give us a bid on how much it was going to cost. And so here we are at the 20-year mark, and we're getting it cut down. It cost us twice as much as if we had gotten it cut down 10 years ago. Well, that kind of figures into the price of stained glass. If look at this piece here of pink glass. The pink glass is right now almost impossible to get pink. We do have, our supplier did find some that was made a few years ago. Nobody's making pink glass right now because of how much gold cost is, and so they're having a hard time making pink, which has a little bit of gold in the mix. So this piece of glass would cost about $200 a square foot. Now, we just decided that we couldn't afford that. But we did decide to go ahead and buy glass. Even though it's, like I said, it's twice as much as it used to be. But here we are getting our shipment of glass. It's wonderful to get it. It improves the color palette that we have before. Jeannie's working on a very major project, and so we needed to get the glass anyhow. And we finally got the tree cut down. It cost us twice as much as it would have before, but we went ahead and got it. We're happy to have it, and we're happy to have all this glass. Look how much that is. Oh boy, oh boy. Okay, well, this has been David in the glass studio. The stained glass is still great. It costs more for solder, but you know what? You just learn to live with it. Things go up. I mean, a bag of potato chips costs more too. So does a gallon of gas. But we rise above it, and we live our lives, and it's wonderful. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.